When you open a fresh new project, GarageBand for iPhone only gives you 8 bars to work with. Luckily, you have the option to not only extend the length of your project to almost indefinitely, but also organise it into clearly defined sections. Okay, first off, tap the Song Section button. It's this small plus icon in the top corner. When you tap the Song Section button, the tracks view will change to show all existing sections in the song. If it's a fresh new project, you'll only have Section A here. To have your project match the length of your recording, simply tap Section A and then tap the automatic toggle switch here. Your project will then be one big section that will last as long as you choose to record into it. To add separate sections like intro, verse, chorus, etc., open the Song Section controls and tap Add. The new empty section is added after the last section. Tap anywhere in the tracks view to close the Song Section controls, or you can keep adding new sections here if you want. To change the length of a section, open the Song Section controls, tap the Inspector button next to the section name, and then tap the up or down arrow next to Manual to lengthen or shorten the section incrementally by bars. You can swipe vertically to change it in larger increments if you want. You can play different sections by swiping left or right in the tracks view until you get to your desired section, or open the Song Section controls, then choose the section you want to play from this menu. To play all sections in the song, just choose All Sections. Finally, if you want to change the order of your sections, open the Song Section controls, then tap Edit. Drag a section up or down in the list by the handle on its edge, and when you finish, tap Done. That's how you organise your projects using sections in GarageBand for iPhone. Let me know if you were already using this feature or if it's new to you down in the comments. And if you could give that like button a wee tap while you're down there, I'd appreciate it too. If you're just getting started with GarageBand for iPhone and aren't completely sure where to start, watch this video next.